Let's be real, choosing a website service for your business can feel like you're lost in a maze. There are just so many options, right? How do you figure out which one is actually going to help you grow? Well, today, we're going to cut through all that confusion. We're going to break down 4 different website services from Hellenic Technologies, and I promise, by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one is the right move for your business. So you know you need a website, but where do we even begin? If you're feeling kind of overwhelmed by all the tech speak and the endless choices, hey, you are definitely not alone. But the good news is, there is a clear path forward. It all comes down to understanding your business goals first, not just what you think you need in a website. So let's map out these options together. I want you to think of this as a ladder. We're going to start on the very first rung with a really simple, super accessible option, and then we're going to climb our way up to the most powerful, customized solutions out there. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly where your business fits on this ladder. Sound good? Okay, our first stop, the very first rung on our ladder, is a service called Firefly. This is really the entry point, designed for anyone who wants to take control and build their online presence without a huge upfront cost. So what is Firefly exactly? Well, think of it as a do-it-yourself platform that puts you right in the driver's seat. But here's the cool part. You're not going it alone. You get an AI co-pilot that helps you generate content and actually build your site on the super popular WordPress platform. Now, one of the biggest things to know about Firefly is its all-inclusive subscription. See, it's not just a website builder. That subscription also covers your hosting, all the maintenance, and even the costs of using the AI. That means you get one simple, predictable monthly fee and absolutely no setup cost to worry about. But what if you get stuck? You're building away and you hit a wall. Remember that optional professional help we just mentioned? This is it. Even though Firefly is a DIY tool, you are not left completely on your own. You can get an expert to jump in on demand at a really clear hourly rate. Think of it as your safety net, just in case you need it. So who is this really for? This makes it super clear. If you're a local service business, a plumber, a hair salon, a coffee shop, and you want a low-cost, predictable way to manage your own online presence, Firefly was basically designed with you in mind. All right, you ready to climb up to the next rung? What if you want a totally professional website, but you just don't have the time, or let's be honest, the desire to build it yourself? Well, that's where Falcon comes into the picture. With Falcon, we make a big shift. We go from do-it-yourself to done for you. This is where professionals step in, build your site for you using a high-quality premium WordPress theme, and then they deliver it as a complete, ready-to-go package. In that all-inclusive model, it applies here too, but it's kicked up a notch. With Falcon, you get a dedicated account manager and monthly support hours baked right into your subscription. It also covers the cost of any of those pricey premium themes and plugins, so there are no surprise fees. It is a truly hands-off, hassle-free experience. Falcon is really built for growing businesses that need to focus on what they do best, which probably isn't building a website, right? So if you want that polished, professional look online without any of the technical headaches, Falcon is your hassle-free solution. Okay, let's keep climbing. What if you need something more than just a brochure website? What if your business needs to sell products online, manage appointments, or handle other really complex operations? This is where Lynx comes in. And Lynx is way more than just a website. It's a pre-built business platform. It's like a finely tuned engine, already engineered and optimized for the specific needs of e-commerce, online bookings, or even a car rental business. The magic word here is pre-configured. That means all the complicated setup for selling products or managing a booking calendar is already done for you. You get a high-performance, scalable system that's ready to go right out of the box, all under that same simple subscription model. So, who needs Lynx? It's for any business that needs a serious online store or a robust booking system, but doesn't want to deal with the time and the huge expense of a custom build. If you need powerful functionality from day one, Lynx is your fast track. And here we are. We've reached the top of the ladder. Welcome to Mammoth. And up here, the whole approach changes. We're not talking about templates or pre-built systems anymore. We're talking about creating something completely new, from the ground up. The key word for Mammoth is bespoke. What does that mean? It means your website is designed and built from a blank canvas, perfectly tailored to your unique brand, your specific goals, and your technical infrastructure. It's a true one-of-a-kind solution. Now, one of the biggest differences with Mammoth is the pricing. This is super important. Unlike the other three services we talked about, Mammoth is not a subscription. It's a project. You pay a one-time cost for the design and the development, and then you can choose to add on any extra services like hosting or maintenance separately. Mammoth is for the big players, large organizations and enterprises with really complex needs. If you need a highly specific, high-performance web application that you just can't get with off-the-shelf tools, this is the ultimate solution.
Phew, we've climbed the whole ladder from a simple DIY builder all the way to a full custom enterprise build. So now, let's bring it all together and make your final decision crystal clear.
Okay, this table right here, this is your ultimate cheat sheet. It breaks down every single service by who it's best for, what the pricing model looks like, and what the number one key benefit is. So whether you need that low-cost control with Firefly, a hassle-free professional site with Falcon, a specialized platform with Lynx, or a totally custom solution with Mammoth, this makes it so easy to see which one is the right fit for you.
But listen, launching your website is really just the beginning. No matter which path you choose, you can always power it up with ongoing managed services. We're talking about things like SEO, social media, and even advanced AI solutions. These are the add-ons that can really help you take your business to the next level.
So, there you have it. 4 clear paths to a successful online presence. The only question left is, which one is right for you? Your business is unique, and your website should be too. Now it's time to choose your path and get your story out there online.